All right, guys, we're going to take a look at this little mini PC that was sent out to me for review. Now, in the box, as you guys can see here, we're just going to go through here and look at some of the accessories that come with it. So in the box, we have our HDMI. So we have a full-size HDMI to HDMI cable. We have our power brick. This also comes in the box. We get our Versa mount. So if you want to mount this on the back of a computer, you have that. And let's see what else we get. Of course, we have the computer itself. I think there's something else underneath this box. Yes, there's a manual, and we have some screws. So that's pretty much everything that's in the box. Like I said, starting out, you know, this is a very affordable version of one of the little mini PCs. This is something I did request to take a look at, and I think this is going to be ideal for a lot of people, you know, for their students, from work from home and stuff like that. So if we look at everything that comes in the box, you know, these are all of the different accessories, including the power brick. Let's take a look at the actual computer itself. So as you can see here, you can see the heat sink all the way around. This does have a neon light in it that lights up. On this side, we have our power button. We have two USB-A's, technically three. We have two of them that are 3.0, and then we have one that's just your standard USB. And then on the back, we have our DC input for our power. We have an additional USB. Now, both of those are going to be your 2.0. So we have two 2.0s and two 3.0 USBs. We have two HDMIs. So that means you can connect up to two monitors to this. You have your Ethernet, so you can connect this to your Wi-Fi. You have your mic in, and you also have one of those Kensington locks. So if you wanted to lock this to a desk, you would be able to. But this one does have 8 GB of RAM. It has 256 GB storage on this one as well. So really nice little compact design. Now this is mostly plastic. This one does ship with Windows 11 Pro, you know, installed on it. So if you're looking for a very compact, you know, small computer that you could travel with, that you can also mount on the back of one of your monitors, this could be an ideal little mini computer. You know, very compact, all of the accessories right here in the box, everything that you need to get started. The only thing you're missing is going to be your monitor, your keyboard, and your mouse. So yeah, I do like this. I like this really a lot. And I think, you know, a lot of people are going to love this little small compact unit. All right, guys, so hopefully this video has been helpful, again, to someone who is looking for a small compact computer that's, you know, travel friendly, that's going to not take up a lot of, you know, real estate in your home office or wherever it is you might use one of these computers. This could be an ideal setup. All right, guys, I'll catch you all in the next video.